What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome, here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, XRP price is coming down slightly at the time of this. As you guys know, there's been some actually really good news with XRP, but today, obviously, it's coming down slightly over the last hour, down to $2.36. What I really want to talk today about is there are some bullish news, some bullish flags out there that have emerged. Although the price is down right now, this is creating some entry points for some people that maybe are sitting on the sidelines, whatever they want to do. But there is some positive signs for a potential bullish flags. We're going to go over those today. We're also going to cover some pretty big whale movement and activity. And also, there was some news launched today or announced today by Ripple in regards to sort of their next path forward into 2025, which is a really, really good article that they put out there. So anyone and everyone that has some doubts as to what the next steps are for Ripple, they actually put it into writing to give you some pretty good clarity as to what their next steps are. And honestly, dude, I was like, this is actually pretty cool that they put this out here. We're also going to talk about another let's see here. I do want to jump into market cap because there was a lot of questions that came through on TikTok and things like that of how we're able to get to the price projections of where we want. For instance, how do we get to $5? How can we get to if someone did say it's going to get to $10, how do we get to that? So we are going to talk about that as well. So with all that, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am a little bit early at 5 o'clock because I do have to get to a orchestra concert today. So, but we're going to hang on for a little bit here. What is up, everyone over here at TikTok? We're at 121 over here on TikTok. What's going on, everyone? Good to see you guys. We got roughly, if people are still flooding in here, we got 277 people here on the stream right now. Austin Strong, yes. What it do? What's up, Manny? What's going on? King. Oh, what I should probably do here is, let me see here real quick. Let me go here. I got to put this on. I got to put a subscriber mode on because if I don't do subscriber mode, I'm gonna be in for one, dude. Because you guys are definitely some chatty people, which is good. I appreciate it, but it's really, it's probably one of the hardest things to do is to keep up with the chat. And I like to make sure that I try to respond to as many people as I possibly can. So there's that as well. Let's go here. All right, sorry about that. I did have to do that so I could see everyone's chat here. I like getting jacked up on coffee and listening from Wisconsin. Wow, King David, that's pretty awesome, dude. You think XRP will hit by $3 by New Year's? I think RLUSD launching is gonna create some pretty good stuff. How do we subscribe? Tundra, you can go right up here to Awesome Austin. You can click on my YouTube channel over there, and then you can come over and subscribe if you'd like over here. That's where I show all my screens and stuff like that. So although I'm just talking to you here, over on the YouTube side, I do share a lot of everything over here. We got Kai in the house here. What's up, Kai? Iron Lux, Boomer Sumer, Aaron. What's up? Should I get a stop loss at $2 or lower? That's something you have to project. If you're going to stop loss that low, typically you want to stop loss probably a little higher than that. But that's up to you. It depends on if you're day trading, swing trading, what you got. YouTube cost free. YouTube's free. YouTube is free, man. Bro, I know you see my question. X-Files, I did not see it, dude. Sorry, man. Perfect hair. Oh, you like it? Back here, more hoping the pump of Bitcoin hits. Yeah, so everything's coming down over this last hour again. It seems like we're having some hiccups in the market, but that's okay. It's climbing back. Yeah, it's going to come back here. It's hit the 36 mark. You could see we have a lot of volume coming in right here at this hour. We've been struggling to get over this right here, and I'll share some information with you in regards to how we're getting there. Where'd it go? Let's see here. It's the coin. I wonder if I got out of it on accident. So they were talking about right here. So this is actually some really good news coming up here. So as you guys know, obviously there's some shorts that get put in here. There's obviously some longs that get put in here. And the activity that's happening here is that there's actually a large amount of activity for a $5 strike call option. So people are putting in longs for XRP, and those longs a majority of them are going at the $5 range. So when I talk about the $5, I'm talking about $5 is the number two most called option out there right now. So that's pretty cool to say. So when we're all sitting here going, okay, is $5 outside the realm? Well, you have a lot of people. Look at this chart right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this chart. Look at this chart right here. So you can see right here, this side right here is called the calls. This right is the sell call. So you can actually see that there's more calls than there are sell calls. And then if you go up to the top here, look at how many calls are coming in here at this $5 range. And then look at the sell calls over here. So you could see that the massive majority of where we're at right now is around. That's why we're struggling around this 239. We got a lot of calls coming in here. We got a lot of people who are selling them because they reached their levels, and on top of that, we got people who are actually still shorting the market. So you can see there's a massive amount of volume right here at this 239, 238 range, which is right here where you see on this red chart, on the chart right here, you'll see the red line coming through. This is where we're struggling to get over the most right here. And even when we get to this area, you can see we hit this area a lot. We go over it, we come down, touch it again, come back up, touch it, go back over it, touch it again. So we're trying, this is a large area of, you can see where there's call options coming in here. And I just think it's kind of crazy when you look at this chart of what we're looking at. But the next level up, look at this, dude, is it literally, there's not a whole lot in between. The next level is $5. So, when people are saying, oh, do you think we can get to $5? Well, there's a lot of people out there that have calls on this to actually get to $5. So, looking at this chart, it's kind of, super bullish when you're like, wow, it's not outside the realm of possibility. That's for sure. Can we just pass $3, please? Yeah. There's not a lot of resistance at 3. You can see, that's like, the next level is probably around 252, it looks like. And then after that, we got right around probably the $2.80 and then the $3 you can see right there on the chart. So yeah, it's super, this will be interesting to see how it calls, but it says, data shows that the $5 call is the most popular out of the money or higher striker call options with notional open interest of about 1.25 million. So that's a lot. That's a pretty good amount, I got to say. It says the increased activity indicates a bullish position, assuming the buyers are traders, not market makers. So we obviously don't want them to, we don't want them to be market makers, but that far out, it's probably not. It says, readers might want technical analysis patterns to do work into intended. As such, tracking the broader market sentiment is pivotal. So you can actually see right here, here's the calls. Look at that, all the way to $5. There's 1.259 right there. And then you can see over here, there's about 3 million where we're at right now. There's some down here. And then boom, look at that right here. It's probably where we're trying to get over is this hump right here. But a lot of money on this, dude. So there is some bullish signs right here. They're calling this an XRP bull flag right here. So if you go back and you look at the chart, this is actually on the day chart. So if we go back and look at the chart and we pull out the day chart on this and we go down, they're actually saying that this is a bit of a bull flag. Oops, let me zoom out of here real quick. There we go. Actually, I don't like that chart. Let's do that chart right there. Boom. So they're saying this is a bull flag right here, right? So they're saying that we might come out of this looking pretty good. Again, another bullish sign. You can see there's a flag. I didn't actually draw it, but that's what they're saying. This is a bull flag. You got basically the pull coming up. You got the flag coming down, and that's what we're seeing right now. So this is going to be an interesting I think it's going to be an interesting next couple days. Obviously, with RLUSD on the verge of coming out, this is some pretty exciting stuff, to be honest with you. So, but yeah, with that said, we have about 800 people in here watching right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Over here on TikTok, make sure you guys hit the like button or hit the heart button. Appreciate that a ton. I'm blind. Yeah, you have to come over to the YouTube side, so I'm sorry about that. XRP ain't moving past 239. Yeah, right now it's about 236. A lot of people are asking for entry points. Can this be the last entry point? What's tomorrow going to entail? A lot of news coming out tomorrow, probably. I would assume that we're going to be on the verge of having the RLUSD. It's going to be probably one of the most talked about things out there. So, yeah, someone should teach the Cardone brothers how to do basic math. Yeah. I guess you're saying, what's up, Justice Sailor? Boo. Oh man, come on. Dream Chaser, XRP Army, Irish Division. All right. Any indicators on when launches? Forest Ruse. No, there's no indicators. We're still waiting for Ripple to make the announcement. As you guys can see right here, they are still saying they launched soon, but they did put out this 2024 showcase of how crypto blockchains are reshaping global finance. And they revisited their key themes that they're going to be focusing on in 2025. And it should actually excite us a lot, to be honest with you. There's a really good amount of things here that they want to talk about, or that they are talking about, and what they can actually do moving forward. The biggest one right here is obviously regulation remains number one. They want to make sure that they're actually the only one out here that continues to push regulation. I mean, they're going to be the only cryptocurrency that's going to have they're going to be, they went through the whole entire, they got sued for, they're going to be the only one that has regulatory clarity across the board for any cryptocurrency out there. There's no other cryptocurrency out there that will have regulatory clarity like they do. And that is a huge plus going into 2025. Me and all the girls are investing in Pepe. All right, do you think? That's good? That's good. I heard XRP is going to be the biggest scam. Everyone talking about cashing out. No way, dude. No way. Austin starts streams and we finally see an uptick. It's still lingering, dude. It's still lingering. Austin, do your hand gesture firework deal. I don't think that they work anymore, dude. I tried to do like the thumbs up thing and like it didn't work anymore. So I was like, all right, I think they took that away. Sitting pretty, just dumped another 600 in, confident price. Yeah, dude, that's good. Damien, that's good. Laughed my ass off for weeks. It was 10. Now we're stuck in the $5 line. Well, the $5 line is kind of like the next step. So they're actually saying that the $5 could be the when RLUSD gets launched within 24 hours. A lot of people are saying that it could actually hit $5, which is a 2x from where we're at right now. Yeah, it's going to go up 100% from where we're at. So that's kind of cool. But you want to keep going through. Yeah. What does unlocking tier 1 mean and is open for a stablecoin? What does unlocking tier 1 mean and that it's open for the stablecoin? I don't know if I know what you mean, Kathy. Would XLM and Flare have a similar parabolic effect if XRP shot up to $5? I think the whole market would, let Jeff. But XLM's not attached to it, so it'd be interesting to see how that goes. I don't know. Shib Army, thank you so much for becoming a member of the channel. Appreciate you a ton. Thank you very much. You are now officially part of the A team. What is the Yearn Finance? It's probably a staking protocol that I probably wouldn't touch, to be honest with you. I don't even know what it is. I've never seen a cat use a wrench before. MK. Hey, Shib Army, thanks so much for the $5 super sticker, man. You've donated a lot to the channel. I appreciate you a ton, dude. Thank you very much. Bullpen, a flag and bullish, backing in a slight D angle. Looks good. Yeah, this is from the day chart, this is looking really, really good. I'm going to be honest. But, hey, to each our own on where we're at with this. So let's see here. Love the green candles. Yeah, the green candles are nice. Dude, when you pull back and look at this, right? When in doubt, zoom out and you'll be able to see that the XRP has done very, very well. Yes, dude, it's made it through. This is actually really showing that we made it through some pretty rough. I mean, this is the biggest dump we've ever had in a single 24-hour period with XRP, in a single hour period with anything in the crypto market. So to be able to show the resilience that it has through here is pretty damn good. The silver chart is exactly the XRP flag too. Oh, nice, dude. That's awesome. The silver chart. Yeah, that's super cool. Let's go here. What's the word, Austin? Greetings from Silver State. Yeah, we got Nevada up in the house here. Thanks for the rec in the cold wallet. Just ordered mine today. Oh, that's awesome, Raquel. That's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty easy to use. Awesome, Austin. Does XRP get burned every time RLUSD is used? I think to small amounts on the Ripple network, there is a small amount that gets burned. I don't think it's a significant amount. So some people are asking if XRP is deflationary. And there's a lot of items out there, and it says that while Bitcoin total supply remains 21, XRP's total supply is due to transaction fee burning. So whenever a transaction occurs on the XRP ledger, a small amount of XRP is permanently removed from circulation as transaction fee. But it's so small. It's a very finite amount. But still, to some degree, yeah, I guess you could say that a small amount gets burned. Big Watch Dude, what's up, buddy? DCA every chance you get. All right, Michael. I like that. Like and subscribe. Less than 100 away for 80K. 100, you mean for 81? We're 71,000 subs almost away. That's pretty close. Appreciate you, Seiko, dude. Thank you very much. XRP is already at 370 in Australian dollars. Oh, that's nice. So when I'm talking about it, you're like, dude, it's actually not. So what happened today? just didn't launch the RLUSD, didn't launch out here today. So that was probably one of the things here. One positive thing that came today is that $46 million in XRP leaves Binance and goes into a wallet. So most likely this gets moved over to a ledger. Again, anytime we have large amounts of cash getting moved from an exchange into a wallet, this is actually really, really good. This is bullish news, right? Because, I mean, now you have $46 million that has now left the exchanges, because we don't want it on exchanges. If it's on exchanges, that means that they're most likely going to sell. So now seeing that this is off the exchange, we're sitting pretty good. Over 140 million of XRP outflow from exchanges. And as you guys can see on this chart right here, I'll zoom in a little bit. You can see right here, let me get my head out of the way. Right here, you can see net flow, and you can see XRP price. And as this goes out, the price goes up, right? The more this comes on, the price comes down. See this right here? There's red. The price goes down because everyone's selling on the exchanges. But when it goes onto a wallet outside, net flow, meaning out of the exchanges, the price continues to go up. And so we're sort of battling that right now with people sell-offs. But in all reality, it's looking pretty good. Also, they're talking about the bull flag. They're talking about a bullish flag and the pull action that's coming out. However, XRP has held itself above the strong level of support of $2, which keeps the altcoin bullish. So they're saying that the $2 mark is where we remain bullish. And as you can see, it's right. I drew a line to where we last hit, but they're saying right around here is where we seem to have some resistance. But, to each our own on where we draw that out. Yeah, Big Watch, Lauren Adams, Selmo, everyone good. Everyone's in here today, dude. What platform are you using for XRP options? It'd be if you're going to use. I don't do options, but if you're going to do it, it'd be Coinbase. Coinbase would be the best one to go to. Every day we talk about the pump and speculate the price. Still waiting to happen. Lots of love though. Yeah, Alan. I mean, I guess talking to fruition, right? The day will come when it does. I mean, we've rallied this whole entire time for the last month. This has just gone crazy. It's gone up This has gone up a lot, right? So now we're sitting here, kind of trading sideways, which is good, right? This is that flag. You want to be able to trade a little sideways, and when you're looking at the day chart, that we're actually sideways trading right now. So this is actually very positive, which is again what they call the bull flag, because now the next chance is to potentially go up, and so that's what we're hoping for. And I think that there's a lot of catalysts with XRP. I think we have a pretty good amount of catalysts. One of them is that what they actually talked about in here, and that is crypto ETFs and stablecoin growth. So this is one of their big focuses going into 2025, is that they are looking to go into an ETF. It says stablecoin payments is one of the major use cases where these assets shine by enabling fast, secure, low-cost global transactions. Just ahead of the conference, Ripple announced to the advisory board of RLUSD, a stablecoin centered around transparency and reserves, that Ripple plans to use RLUSD as well as XRP in its cross-border payment solution to enable streamlined global transactions. So, I mean, it says RLUSD as well as XRP. It's not like XRP is excluded from this. So, big deal right there. And plus, you got to think, Ripple wants XRP to go up in price. They obviously hold a significant portion of the reserves for XRP. So, you got to think to them, it's like a stock in a way, right? I mean, they sell their coins to be able to fund their project and fund whatever it needs to. And so what do? They want the price to go up. I mean, that is, we all know that. That's one of the givens. So if you say buy or not, let's see. If you can't say to buy or not, but I know RLC is launching, so should I buy? You're talking about buying what? Buying XRP? Is that what you're asking? XRP, I mean, not selling here. I mean, bags are packed, dude. We're down just waiting, dude. That's where I'm at. We're just waiting now. Tier 1 unlocked to stablecoins 520%. I don't know what that is, Kathy. I'll have to look that up. I don't know what that is. It can be a huge scam. It's not going to be algorithmic like Luna was. Also, it's going to be backed by US dollar. And it's also going to be backed by US bonds. So you got to think the New York's not going to actually come out here and be like, yeah, let's actually launch this whole deal here. I mean, it's not going to happen. The New York State Department of Financial Services is not going to come out and approve this and be like, yeah, let's move forward with it if it's backed by Bitcoin. I mean, it's not going to happen. Like Tether and those are backed by Bitcoin. RLUSD is backed by It's going to be backed by bonds. It's going to be backed by US dollar. And I mean, that's just huge right there. So any advice on 850 XRP? Should I ride the wave? I'm riding the wave, dude. But yeah, I can't give you advice on what you do, but I mean, I'm riding the wave, dude. There's no way. I mean, I have no desire to exit my positions at this moment. We're sitting at $2.38. So this dropped down to 236 when I jumped on stream here. And it's already moved up another, 2 cents from where we started. There's just a lot of catalysts behind XRP. That's just what it comes down to. XRP is super bullish with everything coming up here. It's not just today. It's not just tomorrow. Like if you're making an investment just for today and hopes of it going up tomorrow, like you're in it for the wrong reason. You know what I mean? Unless you're doing some day trades, like kudos to you. Like I think you're doing great. But if you're in it for the long haul or to see this thing grow, like just realize there's just a massive amount of catalysts. I mean, going into 2025, I repeat myself. I'm on repeat with it, but it's so true. Like the ETF's going to be huge. That ETF's going to be ginormous. Like I mean, just the news alone. Any cryptocurrency out there that gets an ETF is going to do very well. Solana gets an ETF, going to do well. Cardano gets an ETF, going to do well. So yeah. Persistent, thank you so much for the $2. Is it worth getting RLUSD or stick with XRP? Yeah, RLUSD is just a stable coin. Like you're not going to want to buy it. It's not going to move up in price. It's just going to stay $1. So yeah, definitely don't want to. You want to stick with XRP. Thanks so much for the $2. I appreciate that. Hey Austin, I'm here just a little bit late. Laughing. No, it's all good, dude. I'm actually kind of early because I told people I'd be jumping on here early because I got to get to an orchestra concert. So for my son, it's his what is it, Christmas concert. So I'm gonna YOLO RLUSD. Yeah, come on, Toby boy, that's funny, dude. Should I bother with XLM? I mean, I like XLM, James. I like it a lot actually. So what do you think about HBAR? We all own HBAR, Albert here. We like HBAR a lot, dude. I probably need to make some more HBAR content, to be honest with you. I kind of stuck on the whole XRP thing at the moment because it's just that's where a lot of my money's at. I'm excited about it, and they just have a lot of things going for them where I don't think I've been this excited for a crypto in quite some time, especially a blue chip crypto like this. This is when it starts to run like this, everything we built up over the last 3 years, it's finally like coming to fruition. So I think it's probably just like a release of like, hey dude, like this is what we've been waiting for. You know what I mean? So, and I think I speak for a lot of people when I say that. F Joe, I did not see that. And that's quite interesting, I guess. I don't know what else to say other than that's really, really interesting. Pepe's done. Pepu is in. Future XRP millionaire. I'm looking for one also. All right. Things look good, and it's not even the weekend yet. True. All right, Ike. I mean, we're on Wednesday right now, dude. So let's see. I had to burn 10 XRP to put ICE using. Okay, that's actually not that. I mean, what you had to use $20 to put on ICE using Tangent. Dang, that's kind of a lot, Lauren. That's kind of a lot. That's like almost ETH status. Free 500K house for sure. Yeah, dude, that'd be cool. Let's see. I'm kind of behind here. I'm gonna try to catch up a little bit with you guys. $25 by Christmas, dude. Michael, that would be insane, right? And an IPO. Yeah, let's definitely not forget that. I mean, Ripple has a chance to become an IPO, which will probably be one of the hottest IPOs of 2025. If you miss out on that IPO, I don't know what to say to you, dude. Like I'll probably just say I'm super disappointed in you if you miss out on that IPO. That's probably what I'll say to you. ETFs are stunning the growth of crypto. You think they are? I don't think they are, dude. I mean, I don't think it's going to bring so much more money into crypto. I don't think it is, but I mean, teach our own on that. What wallet do you recommend? Ledger and MetaMask, dude. Minjars. Let's see here. Kind of sad I missed the price dip in XRP yesterday. I did too, dude. I had to run to an appointment yesterday, and I missed it as well. So I'm with you, dude. Sometimes they come, sometimes they go, but hey, I want to watch this tonight. I honestly might enter into a little bit of a trade tonight if this thing comes down, knowing that we have a launch on the verge. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm probably going to buy something. I'm going to watch this price. I might enter at some point. I don't know exactly when. I'll probably be looking at it all night to see when I want to enter and to just anticipate for the launch. And, we'll see what happens, dude. I might put in a little bit of a swing trade, have some fun. I haven't put any parlays in this week, so I need to actually put some. I need to actually have some fun with some swing trades, maybe even a day trade if it goes up enough. Big B, thanks so much for the $5. Thanks for all your insight. Quick question: I'm waiting for my cold wallet to arrive. So should I move my crypto to MetaMask? I think you asked me earlier. I would honestly. I mean, it's probably not that far out. I don't. I mean, yeah. The biggest question or the biggest answer is yes. You probably should. I don't know how much you have on the exchange, and what your plan is, but typically what I always move my stuff over to the ledger. I would not leave it on an exchange. There is some money that I do leave on exchanges, but it's up to you, dude. You could probably wait it out. Is Coinbase going to collapse tomorrow? I mean, we're in a bull market right now, so the chances of them I'm not going to sit here and say that it couldn't happen, but the chances are they've been here the longest. They've been here since 2012. They made it through all the bear markets. They made it through all of the FUD that came every single exchange's way, and they're still standing. So I mean, like, if I had any feel for it, I mean, I don't know. And plus I played the premium, so for $299 a month, I pay the premium, so I get $250 in insurance, like the FDIC. So that's always a positive too. But to answer your question, it's really up to you. The answer is yes, but I think you could play the risk reward right there. Stablecoins make markets for unwanted treasury bonds. It's good for the dollar too. Yeah, it is good. Hogs, I would agree with you. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. I don't think XRP is to deal with on the minute-to-minute thing. Yeah, you got to look at it from the long term. You got to look at it over the long term. Right now, dude, this is a bull flag upon all bull flags. Again, I don't know what's going to happen, but it's definitely bullish. Just look up the term bull. Just look up the term bull flag, dude. You'll see exactly what it is. Even if RLUSD wasn't dropping today, he just wanted the views. It couldn't be released today. Hey, you never know, Ali. I was excited for it to release today. I streamed for 3 hours, hoping it would, and it didn't. So, we'll see what happens. Sell when you double your initial investment and take that out, then ride. Yeah, that could work. Let's see here. Does the answer any questions from this angle? I try to fresh. I try to look back, but there's a lot. We have roughly over almost 1,500 people, 1,536 people over on YouTube. I got 273 people over here. Sorry, it's hard to do both of them, but yeah, sorry about that. I try to. But if you want to come join us on YouTube, you can hit up right here. Go to the YouTube side. We have all the charts up and everything like that. That's what we're looking at. Do you really believe XRP is going to skyrocket? I do. I whether it will or not, I don't know. But I'm personally believing that my investment that I've been holding at 30 cents, it's already skyrocketed. Do I think that there's a lot more catalysts? Absolutely. Just go read everything that's out there with Ripple and XRP, and you should be excited for the future of where that can go. You know what I mean? At least I am personally. So. How do you day trade without paying crazy fees? Well, if you pay the $299 on Coinbase, you don't have to pay fees. That's one thing that they took off. So I pay the $299 a month for Coinbase Pro, and I don't pay any fees. And you can trade as many times as you want, and they don't charge any fees whatsoever. It's the best deal in the world. Do you believe XRP will drop below 236? It hit 236. I'm going to monitor it tonight throughout probably the rest of the day, and I mean, we'll see where this goes. I think that there's probably some bullish. Like I said, there's some bullish signs. It's one candle down on the 4 hour. So it's been, the 4 hours looking a little down. But let's see, this ends here in about 30 minutes. So we'll see where this actually goes for the entire candle. But yeah, you can see right there, the last 3 hours have been in the red. So we'll see. It'll probably be a red candle on the 4 hour chart. So we'll see how it looks. We'll see what it looks like. What platform is best? It's really I like Coinbase. Coinbase is sort of my baby. Let's see here. What's better to invest in Cardano? I'm more HBAR, just me personally. Hey, Minjar, thank you so much for the $2 donation. Really, really appreciate that. Aaron, thank you so much. Hey man, I can't wait to send you RLUSD. I'm gonna make sure I attach my Ledger wallet for that. Okay. We'll have another chance to buy XRP at $2 or less before it goes to the top. Dude, that's tough to say, man. I don't know, dude. They tried to shake the market pretty good with these liquidation events right here, and it comes back strong. So, I don't know. The answer, I don't feel it, but doesn't mean it can't happen. No one expected these liquidations to happen over the last day, 24 hours. So, you got to consider that too. How much XRP do you think someone should have to not work for 1 year or two? I mean, probably a couple $1,000. I think, if it gets up there, I mean, some people, there's a lot of people out on, I mean, there's a lot of content creators out there that think that people talking about XRP and the potential for where XRP could go is stupid because it's only going to give you like a 3, 4, 5x. And again, I don't think people even know where it's going to go, right? So anyone could say what they want. A lot of people are saying, well, if we want to create generational wealth, you should be investing in these, meme coins that could go up 100x. Like that's their selling point. Or hey, we should go invest in some of these other projects over here that can go up 25x. And it's like, again, to do that, you're investing in these projects that might not have any use case at all, and your money goes to zero tomorrow. So I would much rather secure myself anywhere from a 5 to 10x on a blue chip than try to secure myself 100x on a crap coin that means nothing and has no use case whatsoever, and you hope one day gets picked up by Coinbase. So that's kind of the reality of where we're at. Have you seen the 240 days after halving? Can you look at that? Yeah, you're talking about with Bitcoin. We could probably, let's go to the day chart. I probably still have my, hopefully, I don't know if I still have my halving line up. Yeah, there's my halving line right there. So let's see, that's one of the halvings. Oh shoot, I must have deleted my other halving. So the halving happened in January. So yeah, it's about right here. Yeah, so you can see right here the 200-day. I mean, look at that, dude. The halving happened. I mean, this is the halving. I think the halving. I have to go back. I don't know the exact date of the halving. I can't remember what it was off the top of my head. But yeah, then you had this is where the ETFs came in right here. And then boom, that's where it came up. There's news that the Federal Reserve is going to be dumping a bunch of money into XRP. That'd be crazy if that happens. Well, the Trump was also a factor after the halving. That is true, trader. That's true. See, you got to watch a vid. Yeah, now's the best time, but you're late. You think XRP might go down? It's gonna be interesting to say. Is $10 a good in XRP? $10. I mean, hey, dude, anything to get started is where it's at. But yeah, that's where XRP's at, right? Or where Bitcoin's at from the halving. If you want to go back and look at, I mean, XRP doesn't have any price action from the halving, so XRP had not a whole lot of stuff from the halving. So get the rich overnight out of your heads. Yeah, the rich overnight. If a lot of people sell that. So I mean, that's unfortunate. BTC back over 100K too. That catches the eye. Yeah, this was 99. Now it's back over 100. I mean, yeah, it went back over 100 earlier today too. So I have 145 XRP. I'll be one to let go of HBAR. Yeah, West be playing. Yeah, you got to decide what's best for you. I mean, HBAR is doing well too, right? Sitting around this 30-cent mark. Obviously, look at that. That's looking like a bull flag. That's looking like one too. I mean, a lot of these are kind of in that same bar right now. All the ISOs are looking pretty good. You could probably say that for a lot of these cryptos. Everything's looking pretty bullish across the board. So it's just an announcement. Yeah, it is. Hey, Nutrition is Life. What's going on, man? Charts have shown that mid-December will drop a little because of Christmas. Usually Decembers are kind of weak for crypto, kind of weak for the stock market. That is true. So again, if we could trade sideways, that's okay. An IPO is like a stock. Yeah, it's yeah. So like in crypto, you have initial coin offerings. And so like that's basically like you'll have the pre-sales and you'll have everyone out there that will be offering you guys like, hey, we got this coin out here, which they call initial coin offering. And then you got an initial public offering, which is more for stocks. So just got to look at it that way. XRP is double top. Yeah, there's a lot of ways to look at it, dude. I'll tell you that. Buy Bitcoin or XRP. I mean, I own both, dude. That's a tough one. Let's just change. Yeah. Yo, we'll get another chance to buy XRP at $2. Maybe. Best channel YouTube. Learned so much from you. Oh, Adam, appreciate that. Glad you're here, dude. I know I seem repetitive for some. I mean, probably repetitive for a lot of people. I try, it's hard not to be. A lot of questions are the same. So, but we try to talk about some differences here. But for the most part, this today is mostly just talking about the potential for what looks like a bull flag right here. And then, like I said, real world use case is what they want to do. So they actually want to bring a lot of things to the blockchain for self-custody, which is cool. I mean, they even went back into NFTs, which is kind of crazy because, I mean, NFTs kind of, I don't know, kind of weird, but they want to tokenize real world assets, which is cool, kind of cool. I mean, we talked about that for a long time as well. And then they're talking about the philanthropy. So yeah, the biggest ones for me is obviously real world use case, and then the ETFs and stablecoin growth. That's going to be huge for XRP in their entire market. So I think we're going to see a pullback. What everyone else's thoughts? It's too hard to tell, dude. Like I said, I mean, the signs are showing that it's bullish. Everything on the chart showing bullish. There could be a catalyst that causes it to have a little bit of a flash crash, but we'll see. You know, Trump rings the bell tomorrow morning for the stock market, so that might be some fun. Alex, thanks so much for the $2. Appreciate you a ton for the donation to the channel. I have 22 at 190 right now. Should I get more? You're gonna DCA your way in, but you know, you're in DCA your way up. But it's, you know, it's really, you got to a lot of people. So there's some strategies out there where people actually just add to their bag, right? They just add like $100 every week to their bag, regardless of price, because they just want to accumulate as much as possible. A lot of those people do that. And a lot of people that do that are successful with it. So I mean, look at Michael Saylor. He keeps buying at the top of Bitcoin, dude. He just bought yesterday when it was at $98,000, you know, and now it's at $100,000. Then the next time he's going to grab some more, he's going to do another note and he's going to buy it for $110,000. And he's going to keep buying the tops of these things because that's how he does it. He just keeps buying it. He doesn't care. So some people are that way, you know, $100 at the top. Who cares? It's going to come back up. So 220. Well, like I said, we work in the law of averages here. So, you know, usually the averages try to catch up to some degree. So at some point, we're going to have to, these averages are this is a pretty big average right here. I mean, look at the gap between that. You're down to the $1 on the 100 average on the day chart. In the 10-day, you're up at the 228. So there's a massive gap between those. And every time there's a massive gap, sometimes it has to catch up. I mean, we've seen that multiple times. Man, he plays with E. Thanks so much for the $5. Don't worry, Hugbear. You can be the inside spoon while you're watching all night. I appreciate you, man. He plays with E. Thank you so much for the donation to the channel. You're always you're always killing me, dude. You're always killing me. You should be able to get in any registered broker. True. Yes. Next time it drops, I'm buying. Something's gonna happen. Crud dog. You know, I think a lot of people are in the feeling the same way, dude. What do you think about Exodus? Well, I don't know enough about Exodus, dude. Yeah, I don't know enough about Exodus. I don't use it, so it's hard to say. No, I don't do any leverage trading. I'm scrolling down. Sorry, guys, I missed your guys' comments. You guys are chatty today, dude. It's pumping. What would you think about XDC? Yeah, we like XDC. Are you scared that Ripple will rug pull us? I mean, no, I'm not worried about any of that. Not like Luna was. Dude, I'm so far behind on the chat, dude. This just keeps going, dude. Oh my gosh. Love the channel. Hey, Victor, thank you so much, dude. My wife's father is a VP for a stock firm, and he even said XRP is going to be unstoppable. Damn. All right, Ground Zero. That's pretty legit. Can I move my crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood? I don't think you can. I don't think you can do that. Still hold my bag at 50 cents average. Damn, Nick Hill, that's legit. Any idea about Aurora? I don't know enough about that. XRP. There's a lot of people hating on XRP in here. Damn. Yeah, I put sub mode on. I did put sub mode on. I think I did. Anyways. I think I put subscriber mode on. Maybe I didn't. I was in a hurry. I was in a hurry trying to get on here to stream with you guys before I had to head out. So I was like in a hurry, like click. So sorry about that. I still haven't got to the bottom of the chat, dude. That's how crazy it is. Gumfrey, thank you so much. Gray tailgate for a 50 Nissan Frontier. Your tailgate for a 50. You want a gray tailgate for a 50? Oh, thank you. Yeah, okay. I appreciate the $2, dude. Oh my gosh, that's funny. I feel like that was like a Craigslist ad right there. 1800 XRP at 240. That's not bad. You're gonna work your way through it. You'll work your way through it. H bar short long. I mean, I'm long on H bar, dude. Someone hook this guy up. Just same question, not missing much, bro. Corey, yeah, it's just yeah, hit that like button. They all getting the banks lined up, dude. That'd be nice, right? You get all the banks lined up. You're getting Chase Bank. You're getting everyone else lined up, and you're like, all right, guys, let's get ready to rock and roll. Is $100 good in XRP? I think anything to start off is good. I mean, you got to get your feet wet somewhere. I'm terrible with technology. What's the simplest cold wallet? Definitely Ledger, dude. Alejandro, thank you so much for the $10. I have been swapping BTC for XRP on many of the dips. I'm now overloaded on XRP and up on the trade. Should I buy back some BTC? Looking to buy XRP? Dude, that's you know, I mean, it sounds like you're doing good on it. You know, I'd say stick with your instincts and what you feel is right. Yeah, it sounds like you're doing good by swapping BTC for XRP. Um, yeah, you know, could you buy back BTC looking to buy more XRP? Yeah, that's really up to you, man. I mean, honestly, like I said, it sounds like you're doing pretty good with it, dude. I'd probably just keep your pattern or whatever's making you money off that. If you're making money, hopefully you're making money off of it. So, yeah. And thanks again for the $10, man. I appreciate that. Absolutely love to see all my XRP army get the blessings y'all deserve. The people's reflection, yeah, dude, that's awesome. Huh? I remember buying at 0.006 and was told I was crazy. Dang, dude, that's awesome. Tesla's gonna blow the roof off. All right, awesome, Austin. Are you gonna sit in the school parking lot in the dark wearing a dark? No, I'll go in. I have to go. I'm gonna go in and watch it. I'll play some Jingle Bells. What are your thoughts on Algorand, short and long term? I like Algorand, dude. Juniper I like Algorand a lot. Got 500 XRP on cold storage. We'll look at it in 10 years or retire. Yeah, Sammy, some people like that, right? They just look at it and move on. So that's not a bad way of looking at it. Should I take my H bar gains and increase my XRP bag? I can't tell you to do that, Kyle. You know, I'm pretty secure on where my bags are. Yeah, it's up to you. H bar is good. You know, I just, like I said, I have a larger bag of XRP, so I kind of lean that way a little bit. I guess you could say I'm a little biased. I got 14 in XRP. That's good. That's good. The guys buying at $2. Remember, you're not losing anything till you sell. That's true, Michael. That's very true. He plays the violin, John. He plays the violin. Thoughts on Sui? Dude, Sui is killing it right now, guys. Speaking of a blockchain that has just jumped up into the charts here, is Sui right here, up 28%. This thing has absolutely been on a tear. It's because of all the meme coins that are launching over there. If you guys don't know, there's a ton of meme coins launching on this blockchain, which has caused it to go up pretty high. It's up about 28% over 7 days. Over the month is about 46%. Over the year, about 620. So this thing has been pretty damn good. It's in the top 20 now, so I got to show it some love. But yeah, it's definitely on a tear, dude. And I do own some of this as well. I just don't talk about it a lot. But I mean, I again don't own a ton of it. It's not a huge bag, but I do own some. Can we look at smaller time frames? Which time frame do you want to look at? Well, 4 hour. The 4 hour is going to come up here in about 15 minutes. So we'll see where this candle goes in about 15 minutes. But it's looking like might be a red candle. The averages on the 1 hour chart are evening out, and the 4 hour chart, the averages this is starting to catch up right here. This was, remember, 2 days ago it was 207. Now the average is 210. So we want this to keep climbing and maybe get closer together while we trade sideways here, and then we go up. That's the whole goal behind it. XRP is going to adjust to 10K before the banks go. Hey, thanks so much for the follow. Appreciate that a ton. What's the best online business to start if you're not 18 yet? Oh, best online business? Probably just be a content creator, dude. Just go create content and write it off. What's happening with XRP at the moment? It's just staying flat. It's about 36, 37 right now. I was having a hard time getting them right around the 240 mark. There's just a lot of volume, and I was showing that there was some bullish momentum. There was obviously some stops or some calls. Dude, I want my max CC on XRP. Ave's all right, Cameron. Just wondering when burn rate really makes a difference. I don't know if it's going to make a difference, Daniel. I'm going to be honest. I don't think burn rate's going to matter all that much. At least right now, it's not. Yeah, I don't. I would rather buy mine, and I'd rather buy my XRP in Robinhood. How can I find the same XRP on Gecko? Like CoinGecko, it's just number 3 ranked. So yeah, appreciate that a ton. Let's see. What do you think about Beam? What do you think about Beam? Dude, that flooded the thing right there. What do you think about Beam? I mean, Beam's okay. Beam's okay. Yeah, I would talk to you. I would ask. I mean, like the explain to you what market cap is. I mean, you already know what market cap is. I shouldn't have to explain it to you. Obviously, you're asking because you. I don't know why that's even a question. um, let's see here. Is this a real price of the market, or a stable coin comes out, or will it be more of a FOMO? They're probably both. Dude, probably be both. I did not mute you. Are you live 24/7? No, I'm not live 24/7. They're trying to scam new people. Let's see here. Explain for viewers what would be the okay price to get into XRP. I mean, any time. I mean, it all depends on what you want, Jeff. Are you looking to like long term it? Are you looking to, have it for a long time? Like, what's your goal with it? If it's like a long term, I mean, start entering at any time. If it's more of a day trade, then I'd start charting it and find the entry points to do it. I saw some math on burn rate, and it's not really going to do much. Yeah, Sammy, there's really not that much to do. So I also really want to start making content. You should, dude. John, you should make content, dude. Turbo equals Lambo. All right, Mark. All right. Talk to us about Pepe. I mean, Pepe's it's definitely one of the more established memes out there if you're going to do a meme. Haters and trolls asking that's why he's at. I know, Moni. I appreciate you. It's true. That's why I'm not gonna. I don't care. They all have Google, dude. They could all Google how to what market cap definition is. Coinbase refusing to transfer. I keep hearing that. Is that a true thing? I don't think I've seen that, dude. Amp's Cody. I like Amp. Amp's good. I just don't own it. Turbo. You guys don't like Turbo? XRP all-time highs. The volume to handle big buys. Yeah, I would agree, Colt. What's your thoughts on SHX and Velo? Well, I mean, that SHX is a stronghold token is what digital has been trying to get me into for like a year. I think HBAR is going to do well. I mean, HBAR could definitely get into its all-time highs and maybe even into $1, which is pretty good. Coinbase transferred all my Bitcoin to XRP, no problem. Okay, so you don't have any issues with Bitcoin, or you don't have any issues with Coinbase. That's good. I couldn't send XRP to my wallet on Coinbase. Oh, really? 24%. Do you believe that? That could be interesting to see that. Coinbase will make you want a while. Coinbase, will make you wait a while you transfer. Yeah, unless you wire transfer to your bank. That's cool, Cat. Coinbase can take a little bit to get stuff moving. I love the face for radio. You're gonna hang out here and win. Go, hey team. I appreciate you, Sean Parsons. Thank you, man. Thoughts on XRP flipping ETH? If it does, that'd be freaking crazy. That'd be awesome. I'm down for it, dude. Even though I own more ETH than I do XRP, like I said, it would be a win no matter how you look at it. I don't even know what Seed World is, dude. Ziggy. What's the difference between the $75 and the 150 nano ledger? Just capacity. Yeah. You get a big XRP flag. Yeah. You're talking about an XRP flag behind me? No way, dude. Yeah, I know, Cole. I know what market. You're right, Cole. I appreciate you putting the market cap question in here. It was just a guy trolling on X. I mean, he knows what the answer is. So, but yeah, I appreciate that. Hey man, you're handicapping people by answering too easy of questions. That's true, John. I was like, man, do I really have to answer the market cap? Oh man, that's funny. No place for haters and trolls in here. It's all positivity. 100% Trav. I like hearing that. That's good. Should I sell my XRP right now and buy a dip again? It's hovering around here. I'm not selling any of mine. So XRP $5 in a year guaranteed. Hey, they're calling for XRP to potentially hit $5 if RLUSD gets launched. So yeah. What about Songbird? Is it an XRP mechanic? A lot of people like Songbird, and yeah, digital likes Songbird a lot. So transfer some XRP to Robinhood. Yeah, that's good, dude. Has anyone ever made money missing from Coinbase? I've never had any money missing from Coinbase. So, Cole, just to answer your question. Okay, so yeah, senior boy transferred from 1K XRP from Coinbase to, yeah, it took him 2 minutes. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. Have you heard of IDEX? I have not. 85 Tucson, 857 Tucson. I said 85, 857 Tucson. I had that issue with Coinbase. So yeah, there seemed to be a lot of issues with Coinbase. Can Turbo reach 50 cents? I don't know. I haven't been following Turbo, dude. Can you break down what RLUSD is? So as I said before, I mean, the reason like RLUSD is the stablecoin for Ripple. And like I said before, the reason why it's so important to the Ripple ecosystem is because it's going to help provide and facilitate the liquid. It's going to so XRP is going to help facilitate the RLUSD liquidity. It's going to enable buying and selling and the settlement processes. It's going to help support their fast, low cost transactions, and it'll also serve as an issuance for RLUSD and promote the interoperability of the basically the blockchain network. So yeah, it's going to do a lot for it. And anytime you move on to anytime you have to use RLUSD to transfer it across the blockchain, it has to be just like how ETH is, right? When you buy a token on ETH, it's wrapped in ETH. So when you transfer RLUSD across the blockchain for Ripple, it's going to have to be wrapped in XRP. So I mean, yeah, they came out and say it right here this just came out on their, if you go to the Ripple X account under Ripple, they release their Swell conference out here and they talk about this and what they're trying to do and moving forward. And they talk about how their stablecoin is probably, is one of the biggest things they're focusing on going into this year. And one of the big things they said here is that RLUSD as well as XRP is what they're going to be focusing in a cross-border payment solution to enable streamlined global transactions for its institutional and enterprise customers. So, to be able to transfer RLUSD, you have to use XRP. It's that simple. So that's really what it comes down to. And so when you think about that, like, I don't know how that doesn't excite people. So we're about 8 minutes away from the 4 hour. This is going to end at 1600. So, it should end at 1600 here. And then we'll see where this goes. So let's see here. For the beginner, you personally think Binance is a good platform? I like Binance. Yeah, I loved Binance.us until they took it away here in the United States. That guy, thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel, bro. I appreciate that, dude. Thank you so much. The difference between $75 ledger, yeah, it's preference. RW, honestly, it's just preference. What you want, dude. You could probably go with the cheaper version and be just as happy. I've been down for years. I'm finally in the green. West Side, dude. That's good to hear, man. I'm really happy to hear that. Yep, I turned mine off. Oh, really? All right, all right. How much XRP should we buy? I think really, Real Patriot, it's just up to you on where you feel comfortable. Do you think XRP will grow? Yeah, definitely. Do you think XRP will, what did it say, 10x? Yeah, Corey, never say anything about buying. No, how about, have you heard of Margex? No, I have not. Oh, you say I have not used, I've heard of it. I've not used it. Yeah. People are still asking about RLSD after last night. 71K subscribers. Did we finally get? Oh, wow, dude. That's awesome. We finally reached 71,000 subscribers on the channel, dude. That is awesome, man. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here, hitting that 71,000 mark. Honestly, super, super pumped to even see that. That's incredible. So thank you guys very much for everyone who is just here kicking it with me, subscribing to the channel, showing that support. Totally humbled by all the support for that. So thank you. And yeah, I just saw that we have a couple of donations here for the channel. Let me scroll down to them real quick. That guy gave out, he gave me a kiss, and then he gave out, it looks like, well, let me get Fruity Boogie here. Thoughts on Flare long term? Flare's great, dude. Flare is good. I like it. I like what they're trying to do with the whole bridge, trying to accomplish the whole bridge stuff and securing a bridge. Fantastic. I own Flare, decent amount. That guy, thanks so much for the 5 membership donations to the channel here. You are awesome, dude. And I think then we had a 21 follow up on that one. So let me see if I can. You gave it to Tim. Tim, you gave it to Kittrell, John, Homesteady, and Sam, dude. Make sure you guys give that guy a big thank you. You are now officially part of the A team. And then we have Crafty Falcon. Crafty Falcon came out here and gave out some 20. He gifted 20 memberships to the channel. Wow, dude. That is, again, pretty damn cool. So he gave it to Alex, BLS, Lemonoid. You got Cloud99, Hamburglar Helper, Huddles, Jamie. You got Tommy Rose. You got Dwight Simpson, Joshua Pote, Tony, Dawes, Mabel Kwan. You got Dave R. We got Mars Maserati. We got George, Pokemon Trainer, Mohammed, Greg. We got Ape Eat Repeat. Dude, thank you so much. Make sure you guys say thank you to them. That is awesome. Welcome to the A team, everyone. Appreciate you guys a ton. XRP will eventually rug pull. I don't know about that. That's pretty crazy. Thank you guys so much. Crafty Falcon, that guy. Really, really appreciate both of you for donating the memberships to the channel. You guys are honestly, all of you are awesome. Michael Lowe, thanks so much for the $2.99. Any risk of buying LP tokens on XRP's native? Are you talking like on the first ledger, Michael? Are you talking like meme coins on the first ledger? Is that what you're asking me? Because those could be risky, dude. I think those are actually a pretty risky buy. XRP is dropping right now. Is this normal? Seems to be that we had a basically 4, 8, 12, 6, 20. We basically had a full day in the green. It's probably going to come down and find some common ground here. I mean, this is, again, create some buying opportunity for a lot of people. I went all in on XRP. It fails. I'm utterly effed. Risked all for the biscuit. Well, how much are you down? That's what I want to know. How much are you down? Love the stream, brother. 5-star fellas. Thank you so much, dude. And like I said, appreciate everyone being here. And all the donations. I will be cutting this stream short here right at the top of the hour at 6:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be getting off the stream. It's only going to be an hour long, which is kind of crazy for me. Usually I can go like 2-3 hours, but I do have a kids concert I got to get to. So with that, I will be dropping some content tonight. So maybe you guys can go over there and show me some love. Give it a thumbs up, comment on it, tell me how good it was or bad. Give me some feedback. If you were gifted a channel membership, say thank you so much. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Austin Pie in the Face, 75,000 subscribers. Oh man, a pie in the face at 75K. I'll say at 100K, I'll definitely take a pie in the face. That's what I'll do. My buddies, friends with Garland House, they say that they are laying the train tracks. Oh wow, $10 by end of year. Digits. Oh man. All right, Chopper. All right, I'm holding you to it. I'm gonna save that comment right there. Thank you guys so much for the follow over here on TikTok. You guys are fantastic as well. Thoughts on LCX? I like LCX, dude. Yeah, Stellar. Yeah, XRP, Stellar. Yeah, Stellar's great, dude. XLM's good. A lot of those are good, dude. Ondo's obviously Ondo is a DAO. So, if you like DAOs for sure. What's the next pump fund, bro? I don't do no pump fund stuff, dude. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh. How do I join? Jocelyn. Let's go. Stephen Nguyen. Lots more to come. Heck yeah, dude. The liquidity pool for XRP, XLM, and other points. Dude, that's good, man. I love this channel. Great job. Sammy, I appreciate it, man. We're getting there. It's going to fall down. I'm going to continue. Like I said, I'm going to continue to monitor this. If you guys follow me on X, if you see down below, you can see where it says Awesome Austin. You can follow me on X. I typically will post, if I do enter a position, I typically post right there. I usually say, go on there every day and post something. So if you guys want to follow me there, feel free to do so. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. I want to see what this candle is on this 4 hour. We got about 1 minute for the 4 hour. See where this candle goes. Maybe it gives us a nice little, see it shifted above the line, which is good. Now we're actually above that. So that's actually good. We're above the line of resistance here. So, which is about 0.238. So have you heard of bad experience with Tangem? I never had Tangem, dude. I'm not down, but I'm risking it for the biscuit. Got to risk it for the biscuit, man. I'm putting my life savings on Hawk. Cool. No way, dude. Just found 2 days ago. Been watching nonstop since. I appreciate the Jonathan Martin, dude. Thank you so much, man. hopefully I don't bore you guys too much. That's what I'm, again, it could be the same. It could be repetitive in some degree, but I hope that we're all, you find some value out of it by watching me to some degree. Bro goes live a lot lately. Yeah, Mr. E, I do that a lot. So, all right. So we just actually hit this 4 hour. So we'll probably be starting to build one here again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we're looking like it's 4 down in there. So yeah, this will be continue. We'll build up now. We'll see where this goes. 1600. Next one's gonna be 10 o'clock. So yeah, it came down below it a little bit. On the 1 hour, we're sitting here about roughly 4 down. So 4 down on the hour. It's time to monitor, dude. This could be a good entry point. So, yeah, with all that, guys, I'm going to be hopping off. I got to run over to a concert tonight. I do appreciate everyone being in here tonight and kicking it with me, even though it was a short stream. I will be dropping a video if you guys want to go over and watch that. Yeah, just again, appreciate you guys being in here. I will be back here tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And maybe we'll have some good news with RLUSD launch. Maybe we'll have some, good market, some good markets to look at, and go from there. So, yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic night. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you guys all here tomorrow, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. With all that, we're out. Peace out, everyone.